Guys, what are we planning for the Holi this time? What post are we doing? We've not even shot any content this time.
मैम आज हम होली के लिए शूट तो कर रहे हैं बट
हम्म।
कुछ क्रेजी सा आइडिया है
क्या?
बट आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स हम एक साड़ी को स्टाइल करने वाले हैं
हाँ, obviously.
बट आपको और हमें भी ना कलर पता है ना डीकोड का स्टाइल पता है और ना कौन सी साड़ी पता है.
Okay.
ये चैलेंज है आज आपका. सो आप ये पहले
मतलब
ब्लाइंड.
मैं अभी You mean you want me to blindfold?
यस.
पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या क्या करते हो यार, अजीब अजीब.
सो आज हम करेंगे ये
Okay.
कि हम रैंडमली एक साड़ी, एक ब्लाउज और एक डीकोड पिक करेंगे एंड नाउ द चैलेंज इज ऑन यू टू स्टाइल इट व्हाटएवर वी पिक्ड.
I'll look funny if the color is not going appropriate or it's not matching.
But that's the fun of Holi.
Oof. Shall I dye it?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm.
No, ma'am. The next cupboard.
But not this.
No, not this one.
Why, you've seen all my sarees. Okay. Okay. So it is. Is it the starting?
Yes.
Okay.
We can begin from there.
From here?
Yes, we can begin from there. Going, keep going.
Okay. Oh God. This is my favorite saree, my organza. I can even feel it. This is also organza. I don't know which saree you guys are going to select though.
Stop.
This one?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, if I feel it, I know this is a Doria. So I think it's a nice saree. Yeah. So should I take this out?
Yes.
Okay. I go up and I. Okay. Now
Now
next?
we go on to selecting our decode.
Okay. I have 3 racks. This one and this. From where?
Let's do the last one, the bottom one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
Yes. We can keep
Okay, I'll
going.
keep this here. Okay, this.
Yes, stop.
Which? This?
The right one, the one right after that.
This?
No, after that.
This one?
Yes.
I'll take it out. This one?
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, and this one is the decode simple. Okay, done. And now what do we do?
Now we have to pick
Can I
a
keep
blouse.
this down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The blouse. Baba. Okay, so we do. These are heavy blouses. I'm sure you're not going to ask me to wear them.
No, I think we should keep moving ahead.
Okay, moving. Okay, so this. I think these blouses are so cool if you wear it, with. See, keep telling me. I'm
Yes.
just trying
No,
to-
no, we're moving ahead. Not yet.
Okay. Oh. Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, Baba. See? You still didn't find your color?
Not yet.
एकदम
होली में कुछ मजेदार तो होना चाहिए ना मैम.
एकदम पर इतना मजेदार मेरे को कलर नहीं मिला अभी तक.
I think yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, done. ठीक है. चलो, then we got this. Now can I open it?
Yes.
Can you hold this for me?
I got it.
Yeah.
And now.
Oh
your
God, green
performance-
decode! Who wears a green decode with this sari? I mean, okay, yeah, but let's try since it
That's
is
the
Holi.
challenge.
कुछ fun होएगा.
Fun होगा.
अच्छा, अब एक बार बाहर जाओ. Let me just change it. Come quickly into my blouse and decode.
Done.
Guys, when I saw this, I just felt कि एकदम अजीब कार्टून ही बना दोगे तुम लोग मेरे को. But look at this साड़ी. इसके साथ भी ये ग्रीन कलर कितना सही लग रहा है. I mean, it's not looking like odd. Like, you know how I tell people that before trying any other color, if you just want to buy one, just buy a beige. And you know how I say that color goes with all your decodes. You know, this green is not looking bad. अच्छा ही लग रहा है. क्या बोलते हो?
Yeah, I
Nice
think
only,
it's
na?
going well.
Yeah, it's
Maybe you should have picked another Dinchak color.
Dinchak color. This was you only told me to do this. I too couldn't see anything. He's looking nice only, but I'm liking it. And I'm letting the little green be visible from below. It's a little, you know, peekaboo.
I think only you can make any color go together.
It's looking beautiful, but it's
I
lovely.
really do like it.
And this is also one of my favorite sarees. I love this saree.
So that being said, ma'am,
Yeah.
is there like a very weird color combination that you've like ever styled or draped on somebody?
What? Holi?
Or any occasion, just like you looked at the colors and you thought, what? How is this even going to go? But it eventually turned out to be. really
Yeah,
good.
there have been a lot of color combination that I just felt that initially, you know, when I did like many years back, I think I did this pink and orange, and I just felt this color combination is not like a good combination. But
Yeah.
when I put them together as a dupatta, and I just felt like wow, it looked so amazing.
And if you were to be one of the holy colors, which one would it be?
Ivory.
Ivory?
Yeah, I would only select ivory. Like, fortunately, you picked up this sari, but for me, I think it's the color for Holi. So, you know, जब आप कोई भी रंग उसके ऊपर डालते हो तो वो कितना ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. It just looks beautiful. So I
That is
think
so
for
good.
me, it'll just be ivory for always.
And so, since we're doing this for Holi,
My sari is done.
so since we're doing this for Holi, let me ask you some quick Holi related questions.
Yeah.
What would you pick, gulal or water balloons?
गुलाल नो वाटर बलून गाइस व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इनफैक्ट मेरे को याद है कि मैं जिस कॉम्प्लेक्स में रहती थी उस टाइम पे ना आई वाज लाइक हाउ ओल्ड आई वाज लाइक से 16-17 years old and we would fill a full bucket full with those balloons
Yeah.
water balloons and कुछ नहीं बहुत मजा आता था किसी के ऊपर भी डालना और उसको लग जाता था तो हम लोग को लगता था वाह हमने इसको मार दिया
Yeah.
एंड आई वाज लाइक क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग एंड उसी दौरान मुझे याद है कि एक है ना अंकल अपनी छोटे बेबी के साथ वहां से जा रहे थे
Hmm.
एंड रैंडमली वी वर थ्रोइंग बलून्स
Oh.
रैंडमली और उस बेबी के शोल्डर पे जाके लगा आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट डे सो क्लियरली बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट ना मैं ना मेरे फैमिली में कोई और ना मेरे किड्स आई थिंक वी नेवर यूज्ड बलून्स एंड वो बलून सीधे उस बेबी के शोल्डर पे यहाँ जाके लगा एंड जस्ट मेड अ बिग ब्रूज मार्क लाइक
Oh.
वेरी बिग एंड वी केप्ट ऑन सेइंग सॉरी टू अंकल दो बहुत जबरदस्त हम लोग को झाड़ पड़ी बहुत डांट पड़ा बट आफ्टर दैट वी जस्ट फेल्ट दैट दिस इज लाइक अ very very stupid thing who started also very bad.
Fair enough. So, since we're not putting water balloons on people, would you prefer breaking matka or dancing?
Breaking matka is not what I can do, baba, so dance.
So, can we see a step?
Oh, step, my favorite one. Da, 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 da.
And your favorite holy snack, gujia or thandai?
Thandai with bhang, lot of bhang, so you just have it and you just do it or you dance. तो हम मुझे एक चीज ध्यान है कि हमारे वही कॉम्प्लेक्स में वो उसी होली के पीरियड पे एक किसी ने ठंडाई में किसी को बहुत सारा भांग मिला के पिला दिया
Yeah.
एंड वो बंदा को कभी हमने डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा एंड आई विल शो यू गाइस सो वो डांस करना स्टार्ट किया एंड I don't know for how many hours, like we were on the terrace, we saw him dancing. When we came down, हम लोग अपना लंच वन सब कर लिए वापस से ऊपर गए वो अकेले खड़ा होके डांस कर ये क्या हो गया तो पापा ने बोला पक्का इसको ठंडाई में किसी ने खूब सारा भांग मिला के दे दिया. So,
And how does your dance step changes after drinking thandai?
I mean, how will I know? It's someone else has to see. If he's doing this, he would not know, right? So.
Okay, and last question has
Yeah.
to be related to sari. A white sari for Holi, do you think it's a classic or overdone?
Classic, super classic. Whether it's a white sari or a white kurta, I think it just looks beautiful.
Done. And your favorite song for Holi?
रंग बरसे अमिताभ जी का I love that song. भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Oh, so this is for you. मैं आपकी तरफ से खुद को लगा रही. Okay, thank you. And this is again for you. And this is for you. Happy Holi! Have a great and a safe one.